How to create a Twitter account. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Now, if you open up for Twitter for the first time, it's very easy. You should just see like sign in or create account. Well, once you already have an account and you want to create another one, all you want to do is click on the top left on your profile picture. Click on these three dots like a bit at the top right. Then here it says create new account or add an existing one. So I'm going to click on create new account, and here I have to enter my name, email, and date of birth. So I'm going to just do that real quick and then I'll get right back to you. So once you've filled all of this in, you just want to click on next. And by the way, if there isn't any green check marks, it just means that you have put something in wrong, or the name is already in use, or the email is already in use. So yeah, then click next. And here, get more out of Twitter, receive email about your Twitter activity. I don't want that. Connect with people you know. Let's other find by your email address. No, I don't want that either. So I'm going to click on next. And then here it's you just have to double check your information. Then click on sign up. Then you will get a code sent to your email address. So I will just go there real quick. So here is the email with the code. So I'm just going to copy this, go back, and then enter it right here, which you can't actually copy and paste it, which is a bit annoying, but I'll just manually type it out. Then just click on next, and it says done. So here you will have to create a password, which I'm going to do as well. Then just click on next once you've filled that in. And I believe this is actually it. So here you can, for example, pick a profile picture for like from your gallery or like your photos. I'm just going to skip that for now. And then here you would just have to decide on your username. And I would like to just go with that one and then click on next. And here it says, yeah, it's basically done. Just click on continue. And here you can, for example, what do you want to see on Twitter? So let's say you would like some gaming, business and finance, and arts and culture, for example. Click on next, and then you can also select here a couple of the things. So, for example, this, easy, right? Then click on next, and that here you can actually follow a couple of accounts. You have to follow at least one. And then click on next. Yeah, that is basically it. As you can see, now we have created a brand new Twitter account, and that's how you can do it. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.